Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Tuesday, the 7th of September 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets and the world of economics today. I'm Sean Aylmer. The S&P ASX 200 rose ever so slightly today to finish at 7,530 points. It trended down all day until the Reserve Bank Governor Philip Lowe commented on the central bank's board meeting this morning. That provided a boost for equities. Dr. Lowe provided a fairly positive assessment of the economy, saying the current COVID-induced lockdowns would delay, but not derail, the economic recovery. The bank also said it would go ahead and reduce bond purchases, the first step towards easing monetary policy. Mind you, any changing in the official cash rate is still a couple of years off. Fortescue Metals led the big miners lower, ending down more than 3%. The price of iron ore fell to a 7-month low this morning of around $132 a tonne after China stepped up efforts to cut steel production. That hit Fortescue as well as BHP and Rio Tinto. The major banks were lower today with the exception of Westpac, which rose slightly. Macquarie Group was up 0.6% and Telstra was 0.5% higher. The best of the top 20 was Plasma Group CSL, up 1.5%. The best of the big caps was REA Group, up 2.4%, while Aristocrat Leisure rose 1.7%. I've been watching that stock. The gaming machine maker is the second best performer over the past year, up more than 63%. Only Building Supplies Group James Hardie has done better. That's up 82% over the last year. The best performer on the bourse today was gold digger Chalice Mining, up 6.3%, following the recent rise in the price of the precious metal. Flight Centre Travel Group jumped 6.2%. The worst performer was also a gold miner. Regis Resources fell 4.6%. In other economic news, inflation expectations have risen to their highest level in 3 years. While consumer confidence has fallen, people think prices are more likely to rise, according to the ANZ Roy Morgan Australian Consumer Confidence Survey. Inflation expectations matter. If people think prices are going to rise, they are more likely to demand higher wages or expect to pay more for groceries or other goods. It becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. The Aussie dollar is trading at 74.2 US cents. It got a bit of a bump following the RBA announcement, but then fell back in late afternoon trading. There's no Wall Street numbers this afternoon because the US was closed for the Labor Day holiday. That's it for the afternoon market report for Tuesday, the 7th of September 2021. Don't forget to hit follow on the podcast and find Fear and Greed on LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook. Join me tomorrow morning for the Wednesday edition of the Fear and Greed Business Headlines. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.